Hello viewers, welcome you all to Revamp ED YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to see a PhD notification. Here it is ICAR. So All India Competitive Examination for admissions to doctorate degree programs. So here the award of JRF or else SRF, Junior Research Fellow or else Senior Research Fellow for PhD. Here the notification is out in the NTA site. So you have to apply before 31st of March. So and you have to make the payment at the same time before 31st of March. Here comes the application cost is 1800 rupees for general as well as backward classes, and then economically weaker section also. You can see that SC, ST and person with disabilities and then transgender have to pay 900 rupees, so which is included all the charges and GST. So if you are having any mistakes in the applications, then you can edit it before 25th of April to 2nd May. Here comes the NTA site which will publish the admit card on 8th of May. So the examination will be on 1st of June. So you can see that the duration of examination is 2 hours. So it is 120 minutes. So the examination timing is 2:30 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. So the venue of the examination will be notified in the admit card. So you can see that the answer keys will be announced a little later. So you can see the website for the reference like nta.ac.in or else icar.nta.nic.in. So the results will be published after 15 days of the examination. You can see that the 15th June the result will be published. You can see that the online counseling which will be in the site of icar.org.in. So if you have to fill this application, it is only through online mode and you have to fill only one application. So I will tell you the 4 step for filling the application. Like first step is to register with your mobile number and as well as email ID. And the second step is to fill your personal data with the educational details. So on the third step is to update the photograph and then signature and thumb. So you can see that thumb impression has to be there at 3 KB to 30 KB and then photo need to be less than 200 KB. The fourth step is you have to make the payment through online payment or else net banking. Either you can use it uh, credit card as well as debit card. So once you have done with everything, there will be a checkbox. You have to click final submit and you can proceed further. So you can see that there is a two mandatory things, that one is what to do and what not to do. So what to do is like you can carry all the pencil, pen and then sharpener, eraser, like whatever you are needed for that examination you can go with that. And you should not bring any electronic gadgets like pen drive, headset, mobile phone as these things. So by keeping these all the things you can avoid the last minute tension. So all the best for your examination. If you would like to get more admission notification, entrance examination information, you please do subscribe to Revamp ED YouTube channel and then click the bell icon so that you will get all the admission notification instantly. Thank you.